Good morning, Doc and classmates. I am Yang WANYING. After my teammate Ms. Sill's report, let me finish the second part, technostructural and human resource interventions. Let's talk about something we all care about deeply. How to build organizations where people thrive. Not just survive, thrive. Today, I'll walk you through two game-changing pillars: talent development and diversity, inclusion and wellness. And I promise, no corporate jargon. Ready? Let's go. Part 1. Talent development, coaching, leading, and growing. First up, coaching versus mentoring. What's the difference? Imagine you're stuck on a project. You need quick, actionable advice. That's coaching. Short-term, skill-focused, like fixing your time management or nailing a presentation. Your manager or an external expert steps in. Now, picture someone saying, "Let me help you navigate your entire career." That's mentoring. Long-term, holistic, like a seasoned pro sharing how to avoid office politics or seize leadership opportunities. So, how do we make these work? Ever heard of the GROW model? Goals, reality, options, will. Simple but powerful. For example, a sales team can use the GROW model to address declining performance by setting clear targets, analyzing the current situation, exploring options, and committing to action steps. Here's a fun twist. Reverse mentoring involves junior employees mentoring senior leaders, often on digital tools. For instance, Gen Z employees can teach senior leaders about AI applications. Companies like Microsoft use this approach to bridge generational tech gaps and foster a culture of continuous learning. And get this, AI isn't just for chatbots anymore. AI-driven matching tools, such as IBM's Mentorship 2.0, can match thousands of employees annually based on their skills and career aspirations. This results in faster skill acquisition and improved cross-department collaboration, as employees receive mentorship from the most suitable mentors. Next, leadership development. Because great leaders aren't born, they're built. Succession planning isn't just about replacing CEOs. GE's Crotonville campus runs crisis simulations. Picture future leaders handling a PR disaster or a factory explosion in a virtual room. Stressful? Yes. Effective? Absolutely. The 70-20-10 rule works. 70% hands-on experience, 20% mentorship, 10% classroom. One company had managers shut down a simulated plant. Those graduates were twice as likely to become executives. Why? They learned by doing. Durable skills, emotional intelligence, resilience. Deloitte's Leadership Cortex uses VR to drop leaders into high-pressure scenarios, like mediating a screaming match between teams. You can't teach that in a PowerPoint. And Unilever's Future Leaders program? They rotate talent across global departments. One day you're in marketing in London, next month supply chain in Mumbai. Talk about adaptability. Technostructural integration. Just like virtual reality, VR, simulations, and AI analytics. VR simulations are used to train managers in handling high-pressure situations. Walmart trains its managers to handle Black Friday crowds using VR, resulting in 30% faster decision-making and improved crowd control. AI analytics tools like LinkedIn's Learning Pathways personalize leadership courses based on individual competency gaps. By identifying and addressing specific skill deficiencies, these tools help employees develop the skills they need to advance in their careers. Career planning. Because climbing the ladder is outdated. Individual development plans, IDPs, at Siemens let employees map their futures. I want to move from engineering to product management in 18 months. Result? A 25% jump in internal promotions. Google's G-Career uses AI to suggest roles you'd never think of. A coder might get nudged toward UX design. Non-tech staff take coding boot camps. Lateral moves rose 30%. Southwest Airlines cross-trains flight attendants in customer service analytics. Why? So when flights delay, they don't just apologize, they fix the root cause. Delays dropped by 15%. The impact include engagement. Employees with IDPs are 33% more engaged, as they have a clear understanding of their career goals and the steps needed to achieve them. Productivity. Microsoft reduced time to promotion by 18 months in engineering teams through effective career planning and development interventions, leading to higher productivity and job satisfaction. Part 2. Diversity, inclusion, and wellness. It's not just a checkbox. Diversity and inclusion. Beyond the buzzwords, employee resource groups, ERGs, are voluntary, employee-led groups that foster a diverse, inclusive workplace. Cisco's Connected Women ERG increased female leadership by 15%, providing support and networking opportunities for women. Inclusive hiring practices, such as blind recruitment tools, help companies attract a diverse talent pool. Accenture uses these tools to boost diverse hires by 20%, ensuring a more inclusive workforce. Here is also a case study. Microsoft's Diversity Dashboard. Microsoft's Diversity Dashboard tracks hiring, promotions, and attrition by demographic. Since 2020, it has led to a 50% increase in Black and Latinx leadership hires, demonstrating the effectiveness of data-driven diversity initiatives. Wellness. Because burnout is bad for business, mental health support is crucial for employee well-being. JP Morgan Chase offers Headspace subscriptions, resulting in a 22% reduction in stress-related absenteeism and a healthier workforce. Flexible work arrangements, such as Bolt's 4-day workweek, have led to a 13% productivity boost. According to a Stanford study, these arrangements allow employees to better balance work and personal life. Cultural sensitivity initiatives, like Nike's Equity in Wellness, provide subsidized gym memberships for low-income employees, ensuring that wellness programs are accessible to all. Inclusive design matters. Accessibility tools, such as Microsoft's Ergonomic Equipment Toolkit for employees with disabilities, ensure that all employees can participate fully in the workplace. Financial equity programs, like Starbucks covering 100% of college tuition for part-time workers, demonstrate a commitment to employee well-being and development. Real-world wins. Salesforce's Wellbeing Hub offers yoga, therapy, and nutrition coaching. It has resulted in 30% fewer sick days and a 15% lower turnover rate, highlighting the positive impact of comprehensive wellness programs. P&G's Health and Harmony program includes ERG-designed initiatives such as halal meal plans and prayer breaks. It has seen a 45% increase in participation and a 90% improvement in job satisfaction, demonstrating the importance of inclusive wellness design. Part 3. The future? It's already here. In the future, transparent algorithms will be used to audit biases in promotion and pay equity. This will ensure fair decision-making, avoid unfairness caused by opaque algorithms, ensure that employees are treated fairly in promotion and pay distribution, and promote the construction of a fair corporate culture. Because AI is increasingly used in the human resources field, it is crucial to ensure algorithm fairness. Transparent algorithms can enhance employee trust, create a fair competition environment, and help companies attract and retain talent and improve overall competitiveness. As companies go global, employees come from different cultural backgrounds and have different needs for health and well-being. Global health standards require the design of culturally adaptive programs to meet diverse needs and improve employees' overall health and sense of belonging. For example, providing localized mental health resources for multinational teams can better help employees cope with stress. Through this culturally adaptive health program, employee job satisfaction and productivity can be improved, conflicts and misunderstandings caused by cultural differences can be reduced, and the global competitiveness of enterprises can be enhanced. So, what's the takeaway? This isn't about HR policies. It's about reinventing work. Companies that invest in talent development, embrace diversity, and prioritize wellness won't just survive, they'll dominate. Think about it. When people feel valued, heard, and healthy, they innovate. They stay. They fight for your mission. Thank you, and let's build that future together. That is all my report today. Thank you for your listening.